Good morning students. Today we are going to start Mathematics of Standard 7, Chapter number 1, Integer. So, in a quiz, positive marks are given for the right answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. It means in a quiz competition, the positive marks are given for the correct answer and negative marks are given for the incorrect answer. If Jack scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So, let's solve this. How much Jack scored in 5 successive rounds? He scored 25, -5, -10, -10, 15 and 10. So we have to count his total at the end. So Jack scored in 5 successive rounds is equal to, we have to add all of this. So it is 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. Now 25 here plus minus it is -5. Here plus minus it is -10 plus 15 plus 10. Now we have to take all the plus together. So it is 25 plus 15 plus 10 and here -5 and -10. So 25 plus 15, that is 40 plus 10 -5 -10. So 40 plus 10 it is 50. 50 minus 5 minus 10. So 50 minus 5 it is 45. 45 minus 10 it is 35. So here Jack scored 35 marks at the end. So we have to write the statement. Therefore Jack scored 35 marks at the end. Now next question. Temperature at Srinagar on Monday was -5 degrees Celsius and it dropped on Tuesday by 2 degrees Celsius. So what was the temperature at Srinagar on Tuesday? We have to find out the temperature at Srinagar on Tuesday. So temperature at Srinagar on Tuesday is equal to temperature at Srinagar on Monday -2 degrees Celsius. So here we have to put minus sign because it is dropped on Tuesday. It means temperature is decreased on Tuesday. So here we have to put minus before 2 degrees Celsius because it is dropped. Drop means decreased. So we have to put minus. If it is increased then we have to put plus sign. But here it is dropped on Tuesday, so we have to put minus over here. So temperature at Srinagar on Monday is given, that is -5 degrees Celsius and here -2 degrees Celsius. So minus minus it is plus, so it is 7 degrees Celsius. Here we have to put minus. So our answer is -7 degrees Celsius. Therefore temperature at Srinagar on Tuesday is equal to minus 7 degree Celsius. Now what happened? On Wednesday it rose by 4 degree Celsius. Rose, it means increase. It rise by 4 degree Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? So here we got the temperature on Wednesday is equal to temperature of Tuesday. Here it rose, so here we have to write plus 4 degree Celsius. So temperature of Tuesday, it was minus 7 degree Celsius, and it rose on Wednesday by 4 degrees Celsius. So here we have to write this number in plus because it is increased by 4 degrees Celsius. So here plus minus, it is minus 7 minus 4, it is 3 degrees Celsius. But here the number of the greatest, the sign of the greatest number is in minus. So here we have to write minus. So our answer is minus 3 degree Celsius. So the temperature, therefore the temperature at Srinagar on Wednesday is minus 3 degree Celsius. Now, next question. A plane is flying 5,000 meters above the sea level, and at a particular point, the submarine is exactly below the sea level. That is the distance which is given, that is 1200 meters below the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above the sea level. So we have to find out the vertical distance between them. So the plane is above the sea level is equal to 5,000 meter. Here we have to write this integer in a positive form because it is above the sea level. Now we have to write that submarine, the distance of the submarine, in a negative form. Distance of below the sea level is equal to minus 1200 meter. Here we have to write this distance in a negative form because it is below the sea level. Now vertical distance between them is equal to 5,000 here minus 1200 meter. We have to find out the distance between them. So we have to take minus, and this is already given in a negative form. So it is minus, so it is 5,000 minus minus, it is plus 1200. So it is 6,200 meter. So the vertical distance between them is 6,200 meter. Now next question. Mohan deposit rupees 2,000 in the bank and withdrawal 1,642 in the next day. So if the amount that is withdrawal amount is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the deposit amount? So first of all, we have to write Mohan deposits in the bank. So here we have to write it in a positive form because it is deposited in the bank. Then withdraws Mohan withdraws from the bank is equal to minus. Here we have to write minus because Mohan withdraws this amount from the bank. So here we have to represent this number in a negative form. Now we have to check that how much amount is remaining in the Mohan's account. So remaining amount in the Mohan's account is equal to 2000 plus and minus 1642. So it is 2000 plus minus it is minus. So here we have to minus this amount from 2000. So here we have to put 1, then here 10, 9 and 9. So 10 minus 2 it is 8, 9 minus 4 it is 5 and 9 minus 6 it is 3. So answer is 358. So rupees 358 left in the Mohan's account. So our answer is rupees 358. And here we have to mention this deposit amount in a positive form and this withdrawal amount in a negative form. Now our next question is verify A minus B is equal to A plus B. Here we have to verify that LHS equals to RHS or not. So LHS is given, LHS equals to A minus B. So A is given, the value of A is 21 minus, here we have to put minus and then value of B, that is 18. So 21 minus it is plus 18. So 21 plus 18, so it is 39. So here LHS is 39. Now we have to solve this, that is RHS. So RHS is given A plus B. So our A is 21 and B is 18. So 21 plus 18 is it is 39. So here 39 is equal to 39. Therefore 39 equals to 39. Here therefore LHS equals to RHS. So hence it is proved because both the answer comes same. So hence it is proved that LHS equals to RHS. Now next is A equals to 28 and B equals to 11. Here we have to prove the same that LHS equals to RHS or not. So LHS is given A minus B. So here we have to put the value of A, that is 28 minus 11. So it is 28 minus it is plus 11. So here 9 and here 39. Here A plus B, that is RHS, equals to A plus B. The value of A is given 28 plus B is given 11. So it is also 39. So therefore 39 equals to 39. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. Hence it is proved. Now our next question is use the sign of greater than, smaller than, or is equal to in the box. Here minus 8 plus minus 4 and here minus 8 minus 4. We have to compare that which one is greater or which one is smaller or which one is same. So here 8 plus minus it is minus 4. So it is minus plus. So 8 plus 4 it is 12 and here we have to put minus 12. and here minus 8 plus minus minus it is plus 4. So minus plus it is minus 8 minus 4 is 4. We have to put the sign of the greater number. So minus 12 and here it comes minus 4. So which one is greater? Minus 4 is greater. So this number is greater. So minus 8 plus minus 4 is less than minus 8 minus minus 4. This number is greater. So we have to put like sign like this. Now next is 23 minus 41 plus 11 and get 23 minus 41 minus 11. Here 23 minus 41 plus 11 plus is given and here 23 minus 41 minus 11, here minus is given. So we have to compare that which one is greater or which one is smaller. So here 23 minus 41, here we have to minus this 2 digits. So 41 minus 23, it is 18. Here we have to put the sign of the greater number, that is minus 18 plus 11. Minus plus it is minus, so 18 minus 11, that is 7. So it is minus 7. Now 23 minus 41, it is minus 18 minus 11. So minus minus it is plus. So here 29, that is it, minus 29. So here which one is greater, minus 7 or minus 29? So minus 7 is greater. So here this number is greater. So 23 minus 41 plus 11 is greater than 23 minus 41 minus 11. So dear student, that's it for the today's video. I hope you understand this very well. Keep practicing. Thank you so much and have a nice day.